In this upcoming video, I'm going to be doing some troubleshooting, and possibly you may have this problem. So if you stick with me, you will also see issues as it's related to how you apply a label to an email. Here we are in my inbox, and I'm going to talk about Gmail labels. And what I'm going to do is share with you an experience that I had when I began to start cleaning out my email. So here we go. I started looking at some of the emails that I got in my account. Now, mind you, this is a test account. So I'm going to go to bar chart partner. Let's say I get emails from this recipient all the time, and I don't want to see it anymore. So I'm going to go try to find all of the emails that I'm getting from bar chart partner. I right click on it, and then I choose Find Emails from Bar Chart Partner. And then there's like one of 50 of many. And this just say I'm just starting to clean things out, and I click the select button right there to select the first 50, and then I choose to delete them. So now I'm thinking to myself, I really don't want to do that. I want to just preserve these. So if I go here to the More button and I go to Trash, you can see all of the bar chart partners that I deleted. So I was thinking, I'm just going to go ahead on and, select these items and go up here and create a label and just go label as, and then choose, create a new label and name it bar chart, right? Choose create. And then I'm going to come back up here. These are still selected. Then I can choose the More button, and then I can go label as, and then just choose them, and they're already there. It's already set. See, the check mark is already there. So now these are in the bar chart, right? So now I've got my bar chart in the trash, but I also have a label created for bar chart. Okay? Now, it shows there are no messages with this label. So if I go back to the trash, you're going to see that bar chart is labeled in the trash. But you're going to also notice that they're not here in my label. And the reason why it's not in there is because anything that's in the trash is considered trash, and it overrides any label. So in 30 days, all of the information that we have listed here for the bar chart that's listed in the trash is going to be permanently deleted in 30 days. So you see how that works? This is what could be happening to you. You may have gone into the system and inadvertently thought that you were in the trash putting a label on an email that you thought you were preserving, all to the tune of it's not there. It's in the trash, and it's getting ready to be permanently deleted in 30 days. So I just wanted to share that with you to show you what could be happening with your email. Thank you for being on my audience, and I'll see you on the next one.